Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VFO, serial number 22421. Machine was new in 2000. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Haas control. It has quick code and rigid tapping. It's also fourth axis ready because it has the drive in the cabinet. We're running right now at 2,000 RPM. The machine goes up to 7,500 RPM. It's a direct drive spindle. You have a 20 ATC automatic tool changer, ATC. That's 5,000. And essentially, you are Cat 40 tooling. Table is 26 by 14. You have 20 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. We're simulating a tool change. All right. That's your Z. Your X. And your Y. So you've seen the three axes go, and as well the spindle. All right, you got the P-cool too. Hey, thank you for watching our video.